check out our newest kit, the Come and Play kit, which is perfect for kids. As you can see, Addison absolutely loves this kit, and she's going to show you from start to finish how she puts this together all on her own. So first and foremost, she's going to take out all of the things that come in this kit. It comes with absolutely everything you need. This cute little double-sided chalkboard, which can be used over and over and over again, as well as the string and embellishments, the paint trays, the squeegee, 4 different paste colors, and complete instructions. The first thing you want to do is take out that reusable silkscreen transfer and cut it up into smaller pieces so that it's easier for them to use. Now this is brand new, so we're going to add some fuzz so it doesn't stick too badly. You can just use a regular bath towel. The best part about these kits is that each child can design it exactly the way they love it. Addison here has chosen to use completely different colors than what came in the kit, and she's fortunate enough to have the choice of all of my color selection. So here she's chosen to use berry, but your children can choose to design this however they would like. Don't forget to dry each step in between so that when you add the next layer, the transfer doesn't smudge what you've already done. Here, Addison's gone completely on her own and has designed this the way she loves it. Here she's using peony. What a cute panda. Next up, she's going to do the little monster character, and she's using the color pomegranate. Super cute. So flip it over and do the opposite side of the design. And here she's using currant jam. Just remind your little ones to make sure that they've covered all of the silkscreen area and that they're not pressing too hard. Here, Addison's doing her star using golden hour. She's going to scrape off the excess, and then she's going to peel off her transfer. Like and subscribe for more fun projects with us.